Good morning. Good morning. So I'm in the kitchen. Oh, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl, Shadi Boo. Thank you for clicking on this video and just being interested. I think you'll love it here. I just woke up this morning. It is about 6:30. I just finished getting these lunch together. This is egg and cheese on the Trader Joe's sweetbread, some grapes, a little cupcake. I'm gonna send her with her water bottle today. This is her water bottle. Yesterday I sent her with two, what are these? Capri Suns? No, Kool-Aid Jammers. So most of the time she takes her water bottle. But I do give her breaks to have a little juice or whatever. About to pack up husband's lunch. Okay. Yeah. So he's getting lunch and he's getting 2 smoothies. He is at work for a long period of time. So however he chooses to manage when he eats, when he takes break, whatever. Now tell me if your spouse's bowl, if your man's bowl is as big as this. Look at my head. Come on. But I never fill it up. Never. I never do. I never do. Okay. That is the dinner that I made from last night. Oh. I'm gonna also put this down in the description box if you want to purchase it for your child, because the water stays, whatever you put in him stays cold for hours. When I send her to school and she comes home and she has a little left, it's still freezing cold. And if you put anything hot in there, it'll stay hot for a long period of time. So that's what I love about it. Yeah. So now that is done, let me put her, Zion got his lunch. So once I was done getting everybody ready and up out my house, I headed over to Burlington to look for a coffee cup for my husband. But I ran into some candles, which got me fully distracted. And if you guys didn't know, go to Burlington because they have the best candles for the best price. And I also came across these. I know the girlies like to have their little galentines. These mats are perfect for it. Again, Burlington. I just came back. I went to Burlington to look for my husband a coffee cup. like a thermal. That's what they call them, thermostat, thermal, cup, whatever. Burlington didn't have none. I'm very, very surprised. They usually have everything. And I also stopped by. Oh, Nordstrom Rack, because remember I told y'all that I ordered some sneakers for royalty. Let's see. Oh boy. These might be a little tight. I don't know. They don't seem for wide foot. These are them. They were on clearance for $25. So I was like, oh, let me grab that up. So I definitely have to see how, because Royalty has wide feet. I don't want her foot to be hurting. And they $25. Can't go wrong. Cute little A6, right? I thought they were cute. What is this? A 4.5. Let me see. Maybe I'll get a lemon and stick it in there. So I don't know if you guys ever tried this, but they say if you want to stretch out something, that you could put a fruit in your sneaker, and that should stretch it out. So I'm trying to see. I think this is pretty good. She got on them boots right now with the fur that came in yesterday, that just came in from Amazon. But I feel like I need something wider. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, look at the phone. This needs that is funny. This is the issue that I be having. That my daughter's foot is wide, and it's really hard to find sneakers that fit her comfortably. If you have a child who has wide feet, wide thick feet, please tell me the best sneakers for them to buy. I'm thinking of looking into, I believe it's called Hoka, and also Skechers. I believe Skechers have some good sneakers. So I gotta see, cause like the regular typical Nikes don't really fit her feet good. So I'm trying to get into things that I know would fit her foot comfortably. So, and this phone in here, that's bananas. That's crazy. I never even thought of that. Like, yeah, I'll keep until 1 o'clock and then I'll swap them. This don't make no sense. I'd be so discouraged. I'm telling you, I can help you with anything when it comes to shopping. I can help y'all with anything. But when it comes to my child and finding proper things to fit her feet, Crocs is always numero uno. She got, I believe they're like these Presto Nikes, but they don't come in but so many colors. So, and she has those already. So just trying to figure out other, but I'm going to have to look up what's the best shoes for wide feet for children. Yeah. And Royalty, she technically can wears a 3.5. I'm going to say that. She technically wears a 3.5. But I buy a 4.5 because her foot is so wide. And yeah. So, and the boots that she have is a 6 in women, because the way that they did the sizing, a 4.5 versus converted to woman size would be a size 6. So that's why I got the 6. That was the only option. But she's wearing them. They fit. But I would have sized up a little bit. Maybe like a 7. But yeah. But her feet is just growing overall. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do. And I'm praying that when she come in here, that she can fit them. And she'll be like, oh, mommy, they're comfortable. You know? So, all right, y'all. That's about it. I am going to relax myself. Do some more editing. All right, y'all. And I'm not cooking. Because I cooked yesterday. And there's leftovers, and that is what is for dinner today. So I'm not cooking. Okay. I have on my fur boots today, but took them off because it's not cold. It's not hot. It's not even warm. It's like comfortable. I basically got on Crocs now. So, as you can see, I took them fur boots off. And I also put my baby's Crocs in a bag if she wanna take off her fur boots and bought her a little snack. She likes, I forgot the name of these cookies, but she liked these cookies by Linden Cookies. And I bought her a little juice. And yeah. So on my way to go pick my baby girl up. I have to have a real sit down with you guys. I don't know when I'm gonna do my sit down talk. But soon enough. But today was another productive day. And yeah, can't complain. God is good. All the time, God is good. Oh, I'm not even gonna have time to go to this thrift shop. If you're ever in New York City, it's in Manhattan. It's called the L Train on East. I think that's 13th Street and 1st Avenue. They have everything in there if you're into thrifting. All right, see you guys. Royalty just had a play date with two of her friends from school, and it is freezing. I was not prepared for it at all. It's freezing out here. All right, we'll talk when I get up.